CSE Project Learning Group, S. Tamilarasi, second year, VA Institute of Technology. CSE Project Learning Group. Today I will teaching in this video for how to create simple LED board in KiCad EDA. This is KiCad EDA 5.1.6 version. This EDA means Electronic Design Automation. And I am start my session. Click file. First create new project. So you go to file menu and click new and click project. Open for create new project dialog. You using for one new folder. Create new folder. Click this new folder button and type for your project name. Type for LED and double click this new folder and type for your file name, project name, and type LED. This save as type is .pro. KiCad is automatically taken for this .pro and next click save. This LED project is created. This LED SCH is a workable place. So click for this file and click for semantic layout editor. Open this schematic layout editor. This is this layout and it is have for more tools. I am start for this design. So you are using this tool and this tool. This tool use select item. This tool use for your select for more items in your design. And next this tool for place symbol. So first I am choose for adding symbol. So I am use for this place symbol tool. Click this place symbol tool and go to your project area, design area, and click for any other place in your design area and click this loading symbol libraries. This is automatically load for libraries. I am create for one simple LED board. So first I am search for resistor. So type R. This is first one is resistor showing. So click for this. This is a resistor symbol and click OK and click for your designer area. This is added. I am zoom this zoom for your visibility and next it is rotate. So I am choose for select item tool and drag this symbol. How to rotate this? You are using for your keyboard using R symbol, R key. You press R. This is rotated and next place this one area, any area, and next added for LED. So I am click for place symbol tool using and click for your designer area and load this symbol dialog box. Next search LED. The LEDs show and light emitting diode. This click this light emitting diode LED and next this is the LED tool symbol and next click OK. Your LEDs show. How to rotate this? You're pressing for your keyboard or this is rotated for any side. You continuously press, it is rotate for all sides. This LED I am place it. Click this area. This is set correctly. And next I am placing for one battery. Place symbol and again click for any area your project. Click this place and load dialog box and search for battery. So show for battery, cell battery and click this, and this is a battery symbol, and next click OK. This battery symbol is loaded this designer area place and click for your area, design area. This is your choice and click for this. I am click this, and next is a how to change for value these symbols. So you are using for choose tool, selection tool and click for this symbol and change for this item is selected. How to find this symbol selected or not? See for this place. This is a value and this is a name and library, footprint, description, keyword. All are show for this status bar. So I am click for resistor and this is change for all values. And next I am click for LED, change for this name LED. So easy find out for selection item. I am first click for resistor and press your keyboard V button and this edit value field dialog box is open and type for your value for resistor. I am type for 420 and click OK. This value is added. Next I am choose for battery value. Battery value I am changing. So click for this battery and press V your keyboard. This edit value field dialog box is open and type your value. I am type for 9 volt and press OK. This value is changes. Next for draw connection this circuit. So I am go for this tool place wire. So your press this round button, round place. You must be first you are using for this IDE, you are using for W key in your keyboard and next click this end and again you go to next place, click for this place and draw wire and click corner and again draw this place and next draw for this side and click this is your choice for drawing and click this place and click end of the point. This circuit is drawing completely. Next your move now must choose for this select item tool and next you go to tool menu and next step is to generate nested file. So click for generate nested file. This nested file dialog box is open. Generate nested and already type for this nested file name and only you are click for save only and this anode schematic you click anode schematic. Next you choose for go to tool and next you are choosing assign footprint menu. Click assign footprint menu. This is loading footprint library. Waiting for this library loaded. This step is added your PCB board footprint. This library loaded taken some time, so waiting for few minutes. This loading is almost complete. it. And next this is a assign footprint menu editor. This is a footprint library. These are all for footprint library. More than footprint library in the KiCad editor. And next, this place is a symbol footprint assignment. And next, this area is a fitted footprints. This components for added component. This is a battery in added for this place. So, and click for this. This is selected. These three component for this place is added. So, next step is added for components library. So first I am added for battery. So I am added battery only connector added. So this is a connector pin, and connector pin, this is search for connector pin header 2.54 mm. Click for this library and go to fitted footprint. Your search, this is vertical, horizontal and more footprint for this place. So you are choosing for connector pin header 2.54 mm pin header 1 int into 0 to underscore p2.54 mm vertical. Choose this tool and this view show for your go to toolbox and view selected footprint. Click this footprint and this view for showing this place. So and close this. This is here footprint and double click this library, and this is adding for your component. And next is a LED. So you are going to footprint library, search LED THT. I'm search LED THT. See, this is a LED THT and show for fitted footprint area. Search LED THT LED D5.0 mm and click this component library and show for this view, this tool. Click this tool and this is view for LED D5 5.0 mm view and close this and double click this library, added for this library your component. And next resistor, search resistor your library place, search resistor search resistor THT. This is a resistor THT and go to your filtered footprint and search your resistor THT or axial L6.3 mm D2.5 underscore P15.24 mm. I am showing mm horizontal. Search for this library and show this library. This is the footprint and close this and double click this library and added your component library. And next you go to file, save schematic, click this save schematic and close OK this schematic editor. And next is you'll go to tools menu and click update PCB from schematic, already added for schematic. And next step is a update PCB from schematic. Next open for PCB schematic editor, update PCB from schematic and update PCB. Click this button. Netlist update successfully and next close this window. And this is This is the added place. Your all component added for this place. Choose this selected item menu and drag this and move for your any place this editor. This is the PCB editor and zoom your this component place and select for one component and move for all. Align for all component. So your press your mouse click for this place and drag for this select for this component. This is changing for color and move this your place. And next is choose for this component and move for any place. This is allocate for one circuit. So connect for all circuit. Allocate for one circuit view. Okay, finally this is align for one circuit view and next connect for wires. So you choose wire. First you select for FCU footprint copper layer, front copper layer and click for this place and draw one component to another component. First resistor to battery and next resistor to LED and next you click for green B.cu and click for battery to LED and next finally you choose for edge cuts and draw for edge cuts. This warning is tracker on copper layer only. You're drawing for this layer. You're choosing for this liner graphics liner tool. So this warning is not shown. Click select for edge cuts and draw your edge cuts. I am draw my edge cuts. Click your this area is your choice. Finally close for this 4 end and next your work is go to file save, click save and next this is a PCB footer view and next I am show for 3D view. How to this show 3D view? You go to your view menu, click this and click 3D viewer. This is 3D viewer editor and show for create a 3D view for PCB board. And next this is all tools. This tool is rotate X and this tool is rotate X counter clockwise and these are all for this 6 tool for your rotate your PCB 3D view. I am rotate this. Your PCB is rotate for all sides. This is back side and rotate for left and right. And this rotate for all sides. Finally, this 3D view is created. This is output for your LED PCB board. Backend connection is all connected. Thank you. This is the basic PCB board creation and advanced lesson for my future video. I am update for my future video. Thank you.